Hello everyone. In this video we are to integrate x minus 1 all over cube root of x squared plus cube root of x plus 1 dx, and here is the approach. So we have the integral of x minus 1 all over the cube root of x squared plus the cube root of x plus 1 dx, and the approach is we let u cubed be equal to x starting there. We obtain three equations from this. The first one is to obtain the expression for x squared. I'm going to have to square both sides. So the first equation is u power 3. We square this and we get x squared. Simplifying this part here, you get u power 6 is equal to x squared. Right, that's the first equation. The second equation, we're going to take cube root both sides. Let me rewrite that. All right, so we're going to take cube root both sides, and what we get is the following. U is equal to the cube root of x. Take cube root of u cubed is u, cube root of x, written like this, which you can also rewrite as x to the power 1 over 3. Remember that. The third equation is to differentiate both sides. So we're going to have 3u using power rule, 3u squared du is equal to dx. That means this part here is taken care of, that is taken care of, that one, and also in the numerator. Therefore, this integral is transformed as follows. It will be equal to the integral of, instead of x minus 1, I'm going to have u cubed minus 1. So u cubed minus 1, and we're dividing this by cube root of x squared. And what is x squared? You can see it from here. X squared is u to the power 6. So we have cube root of u to the power 6. And then we have to say plus the cube root of x. What is x? U cubed. So cube root of u cubed, and then plus 1. And what is dx? Well, dx is 3u squared du. 3u squared du. Fantastic. Now we simply have to simplify this, and then we can carry on with integration as follows. We take this to page 2. Right. And let me move this one down. Okay. So what we have now is the following. Right. What we have now is that integral there that you see, that one changes as follows. The integral of u cubed minus 1 all over the cube root of u power 6 is u squared, plus the cube root of u cubed is u plus 1, and then we have times 3u squared du. If you like, you can put this one in brackets now, right? Or even here as well, by the way. Now let's work on this one. Remember the numerator, we have a difference of 2 cubes. If I may remind you, remember factorization of difference of 2 cubes. If you have a cubed minus b cubed, we say take the cube root of a cubed is a, the cube root of b cubed is b, respect that sign, but in the second bracket, we have to take a multiplied by itself is a squared. Take a multiplied by b, ab. Check the sign. If here we have minus sign here, there you must have a plus sign. If I had a plus sign here, this would be a minus sign. And so finally we take minus b multiplied by itself. The answer is b squared. Now therefore you can see that if you have u cubed minus 1, you can rewrite this as u cubed minus 1 cubed. And following this, you'll agree with me that this is the same as u minus 1. The other bracket will be u multiplied by itself, u squared. U multiplied by 1 is u. The sign here is minus. You must have a plus sign here. And then minus 1 times minus 1, positive 1. So this is what we must have in the numerator there. So this is just equal to the integral of u minus 1 in one bracket. The other bracket will be u squared plus u plus 1. And we're dividing this by u squared plus u plus 1. Allow me to put this in brackets. And then times 3u squared du. Remember that part. And you can see that this cancels that. So finally we have the integral of u minus 1. We're multiplying this by 3u squared du. Distribute the integral and this part here. you're going to have the integral of 3u power 3 du minus the integral of 3u squared du. Evaluating the two integrals, what we obtain now using power rule is going to be 3 u power 4 over 4. Remember, you add 1 and divide. And then minus 3 u power 3 all over 3. And then we have to say plus c. Simplifying this, rewriting it a little bit, we'll take it to page 3. But so far we have 3 over 4 u power 4 minus the 3's cancel, u cubed plus c. Now we have to revert to our original variable, which is x. And what's the connection between u and x? X is u cubed. So if you look at this one here, I must have x there. But this part here, we have to obtain an expression for that. From this expression or from this expression, u equals that. So u power 4 will just be raising this power 4. So taking this to the final page here now, just to finish this off, we're basically saying what we have now is the following. We are saying that is the same as 3/4. Remember, u is x power 1 over 3, and we're raising this to the power 4. And then minus x cubed, u cubed is just x plus c. Let me take you to that page again. Remember, this is where we're coming from. U is equal to x to the power 1 over 3. And therefore, u to the power 4, which is what you have here, u to the power 4, will be raising that power 4. That means we must raise that power 4 as well, like so. And what about u cubed is just x. So therefore, in that space, that translates into what you see here, translates into that. Let's finish off this. So this is the same as 3/4 of x to the power 4 over 3 minus x plus c. This is the final solution to the integral in this video, which is this integral here that we have been working on. And the final solution is that one. Again, remember the trick factorization of the difference of two cubes was a trick that was hidden in this one. All right, tell me what you think about this. I'll be interested to hear from you.